When have you ever heard of Nigerians cleaning up the streets in South Africa where they live? Making sure the streets are clean, making sure the streets are hygienic. When last have you ever heard of such a thing? Me personally, it's my first time. It's my first time seeing foreign nationals actually taking care of the place that they are living at, actually taking care of their environment. Yabonane, everyone can judge us as much as they want as South Africans. But the thing that I love the most about us, South Africans, is that if we have a problem with something, we are not scared to show our frustrations. We are not scared to show that there's something that we don't understand. All this time we've been fighting for foreigners to leave our country, the illegal foreigners that are busy doing nasty things in South Africa. We are busy chasing them away. We've been called names. We've been called animals. We've been called everything that you can think of. But what I love the most is that we deliver the message. The people that we are fighting against, they hear us and they understand. We are just not going to keep quiet and sit back. I'm saying this because it's no secret now that our police and the government has been trying to deport a lot of illegal foreigners, and they are somewhat successful in that thing. This year, after the GNU was implemented, we've seen a lot of illegal foreigners being deported. We've seen a lot of raids that exposed all these illegal foreigners. So we appreciate that, and we hope that thing never stops. The energy that the police have right now of deporting and exposing all these illegal foreigners in South Africa, they can continue and work like that. We are proud as South Africans. We are proud because they are cleaning our streets. Now, literally, Nigerians took to the streets of Kempton Park and they started cleaning the place. They were cleaning up the place. I will play the clip right now. You'll see them. They were cleaning up the place and making sure Guti, the place is clean, because there's a lot of them there, and they know Guti, the filth that is there was caused by them. So they took to the streets and now they are cleaning the streets. So something like this has never happened in South Africa. That's why I'm saying this year things are a little bit different. This year it seems like there's action happening in South Africa, and I think it's all because of this government of national unity. But I'm pretty sure everyone can see the difference, even though the difference is not that significant, but there is a difference this year compared to all these previous years. When have you ever heard of Nigerians cleaning up the streets in South Africa where they live? Making sure the streets are clean, making sure the streets are hygienic. When last have you ever heard of such a thing? Me personally, it's my first time. It's my first time seeing foreign nationals actually taking care of the place that they are living at, actually taking care of their environment. We know a lot of them, they don't care about the environment where they live. That's another thing that we were fighting for as South Africans, because we know that they don't respect where they live as Katinesning. You'll find the place filthy, as if pigs are living there. And that's one of the reasons we were chasing them away from South Africa, because they are damaging our infrastructure and leaving it like that without caring whatsoever. But it's my first time experiencing foreigners actually taking care of the environment, making sure the environment is clean. That's why I'm saying, I don't know what's their motive behind doing this, or whether they will keep this up, or they are just trying to play mind games with us as South Africans? Well, I don't know. Now, this thing of them taking to the streets and cleaning the streets and whatnot, a lot of people are saying, yes, they can clean those streets, but at the end of the day, abahambe. At the end of the day, they need to go back home because the damage has already been done. It's too late right now for them to start acting right. It's too late for them to start acting as if they love South Africa, as if they love their country. So let them go back home. Yes, they can clean the streets, but let them go back home. And then other people are saying, no, the people who are cleaning the streets there are the legal foreigners. Are the legal foreigners, not the illegal foreigners. The legal foreigners were cleaning the streets because they didn't want this thing of all of them being painted in the same light. These foreigners, they don't care about our environment. They are just filthy and things like that. So the legal foreigners decided to take to the streets and to show South Africans, not all of them are like that. And they are willing to work together with South Africans to take care of the environment. So some people are saying, no, those are not the people that we are busy chasing away who are cleaning the streets there. Those are the legal foreigners who are actually feeling embarrassed with the behaviors of their brothers and sisters who are illegal foreigners. So that's why they decided to, no, Yazin, let us show South Africans, no, we are not like that. It's just that these illegal foreigners are the ones who don't care about the environment. But us, as the legal ones, we want to show we actually care about the environment and we can take care of the environment. So personally, I don't know because this thing just only happened once. I don't know whether they will keep it up or what. I don't know. I just want to see, is this something that they are planning on keeping up, or they are just doing it right now because there's uproar in South Africa? We are busy chasing away all these illegal foreigners. I'm not sure what's the motive behind these actions. But when something is good, Mina, I don't have a problem when giving credit where it's due. I'm not that kind of person, just because I can express my frustrations on certain issues, and then when I see something good, I keep quiet. No, I'm not that type of person. Yes, all these illegal foreigners need to go back to their countries. But those who decided to go and clean the environment, I applaud those ones. And what you are doing is good. So if one of you is watching this video right now, just know what you are doing is good. And if really you are the legal foreigners, I just want to see whether you will continue with that behavior or you are just trying to confuse us as South Africans. But I hope you continue with that behavior because we don't have a problem with y'all. Understand this. I'm going to repeat this until everyone understands this. We don't have a problem with y'all. We have a problem with the illegal foreigners, your illegal brothers and sisters. Those are the ones that we have a problem, because those ones, they don't care about anything because they have no ties with us as a country. So they don't care about us at all. They don't care about our environment and things like that. Why would they? Why would they care about a country that they have no legal ties with or any kind of ties? Yeah, so those are the ones that we have a problem with. But those that are documented, those that are legal, who came here in South Africa legally through the legal measures, those are the foreigners that we love. And if those are the same foreigners that took to the streets to clean the streets, I applaud them and I wish they can continue with that behavior. And we hope they can also love South Africa and take care of it since they are in South Africa. Yeah, so there's a lot that is happening in South Africa. There's a lot. I'm just proud because look at the fight that we fought this year when it comes to these illegal immigrants who are busy damaging our country, who are busy selling drugs and things like that. Look at it. This year we've been called all kinds of names, but we stood tall. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying, Guti, I can see the change that's happening in our country. I can see the change. Even the foreigners are starting to get embarrassed by the things that they are doing in South Africa. That's why they decided to clean the streets. They realized, Guti, but we are busy damaging the environment. Look at the streets. And then they decided to go and take care of the streets. That's a good thing. That's just what I wanted to bring to your attention today. So, I want to hear your own opinion when it comes to this issue of Nigerians taking to the streets and cleaning the streets of Kempton Park. I just want to hear, what do you think about this? Do you think genuinely they want what's best for the environment since they are occupying parts of that environment? Or do you think they are just playing mind games so that we can at least calm down as South Africans and stop this thing of chasing them away and things like that. Maybe they are just trying to manipulate us, or what they are doing is genuinely, authentically real. So I want to hear your own thoughts and opinions on the comment section down below. So if you learned something new in this video, or you found out about something new, or if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like for me and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. My name is Emmanuel, and thank you for joining me today. This is Mzansi Versity, the place where we transform lives through knowledge and information. Let's meet again on another video.